nanotube stabilized.
Welcome to nanospace. Exploration in this world will change the nature of all technological discovery in the future. Even today, our nanobiochips help scientists study something as small as a human protein, so that one day we might detect disease in its earliest stage. Sound like science fiction? Actually, it's nanotechnology, and it's one more way NEC empowers people through innovation.
Nanorobot. Nanorobot is a tiny machine designed to perform a specific task or tasks repeatedly and with precision at nanoscale dimensions. Nanorobots have potential applications in the assembly and maintenance of sophisticated systems. A major advantage of nanorobots is thought to be their durability. In theory, they can remain operational for years, decades or centuries. Nanoscale systems can also operate much faster than their larger counterparts because displacements are smaller. This allows mechanical and electrical events to occur in less time at a given speed. Nanorobots are of special interest to researchers in the medical industry. This has given rise to the field of nanomedicine. It has been suggested that a fleet of nanorobots might serve as nano-antibodies or antiviral agents in patients with compromised immune systems or in diseases that do not respond to more conventional measures.
Thought of all the stupid things I'd said. Oh no, what's this? Spider web and I'm caught in the middle, so I turned it around and thought of all the stupid things I'd done. And I never meant to cause you trouble. And I never meant to do you wrong. And if I ever caused you trouble, oh no, I never meant to do you harm.
Software agent technology. A software agent or autonomous agent or an intelligent agent is a computer program which works toward goals in a dynamic environment on behalf of another entity, possibly over an extended period of time without continuous direct supervision or control, and exhibits a significant degree of flexibility and even creativity in how it seeks to transform goals into action tasks. Software agent characteristics. Number 1. Goal directed. The user or other invoking entity specifies a goal rather than simply a task or recipe of tasks to be performed. The idea is that the software agent will figure out how to accomplish the goal rather than simply mechanically carrying out pre-programmed tasks. 2. Level of intelligence and areas of intelligence. It's quite possible that a software agent could be quite intelligent in some respects or domains and quite dumb in others. Number 3. Ability to learn. A software agent could come with strictly pre-planned knowledge or could acquire knowledge, expertise, and even some aspects of intelligence based on input from its environment. Autonomy. A software agent would typically have at least some ability to work independently from the user invoking entity, but the degree of autonomy could range from simple immediate task execution up to endlessly pursuing the goal once initiated. Number 5. Mobility. A software agent could move around the network either of its own volition or as moved by the agent infrastructure. A nanorobot requires two types of software: an interface to the real world, a higher level planning and control software. The latter can be quite similar to a software agent, so you can think of a nanorobot software as a software agent plus the real world's interface software. In addition, there is no reason why a software agent could not migrate across a communications link in much the same way a software agent could migrate across a network. In fact, a nanorobot could have sufficient memory and compute power to simultaneously support a number of software agents in a single nanorobot. They could all simultaneously process the nanorobot's input, but obviously there would need to be some level of control if more than one software agent sought to control the output effect of the nanorobot. Also, software agents running in different nanorobots could coordinate their computing to coordinate the operation of the robots in real world. Note that the software agents do not actually have to physically run inside the robot, but could run on the net and communicate with a stub of the higher level robot software which resided on the net. But if the robot was intended to operate disconnected from the net at times, then obviously the software agent code would have to migrate into the physical robot. A robot could be miniaturized even down to the level of nanotechnology, presuming you design a nanocomputer with sufficient nano memory to run a reasonable amount of software. So, the comments concerning the similarity of software and the higher level software of a robot can be relevant to a nanoscale robot as well.